हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडिया स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे हैवेल्स क्वार्टर 1 रिजल्ट। नेट प्रॉफिट राइज टू रुपीज़ 243 करोड़। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, so guys, New Delhi Havells India Limited NSE minus 2.82% on Wednesday reported an increase of 3.13% in consolidated net profit to rupees 243.16 crore for the June quarter, as margins were adversely impacted due to commodity cost fluctuation. The consumer electrical goods maker company had posted a consolidated net profit of rupees 235.78 crore in the April-June quarter a year ago. Okay, fluctuation. The consumer electrical goods maker company had posted a consolidated net profit of rupees 235.78 crore. Okay. Margins were adversely impacted due to commodity cost fluctuation. Havells NSE minus 2.82% set in a regulatory filling. Okay. Its revenue from operations was up 62.62% to rupees 4,244.46 crore during the period under review, as against rupees 2,609.97 crore in the corresponding period last fiscal. Okay. Havells India NSE minus 2.82%. Okay, Chairman and Managing Director Anil Rai Gupta said the company has a robust revenue growth in first quarter of first year 23 over the corresponding quarter, which was disputed by the second wave of the pandemic. Margins adversely impacted due to commodity cost fluctuation. We expect benefit from the recent cost moderation to reflect in a couple of quarters. The demand outlook remains stable in consumer and residential segment, he said. Okay. So guys, Havells total expenses were at rupees 3,964.76 crore, up 70.36% during the first quarter of first year 2022-23, as against rupees 2,327.20 crore. Okay. Revenue from the switchgear segment was 37% up at rupees 516.93 crore. The same stood at rupees 377.32 crore in the April-June quarter a year ago. Okay, so guys, its cable segment was at rupees 1,192.92 crore, up 47.79% as compared to rupees 80,717 crore in last year. Havells revenue from lighting and fixtures in the first quarter of first year 23 was up to 24.29% to rupees 373.67 crore. It was rupees 214.39 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. Okay. Revenue from electrical consumer durables ECD was up to 45.67% to rupees 839.55 crore, according to the filing, the revenue from Lloyd NSE minus 2.86%. Consumer, a company which Havells had acquired in 2017, was of the over two told to rupees 1093.79 crore in June quarter against rupees 497.46 crore. Okay, Havells revenue from other segment. Okay, Havells revenue from the other segment was at rupees 227.60 crore, up 65.76%, as against rupees 137.30 crore. Okay, on Wednesday, shares of Havells India Limited settled 2.86% down at rupees 1223.35. Okay, a piece on BSE. Okay. ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।